The men of Biafra Liberation Army don finally speak o. Make you come hear wetin dey talk for this last one. They don send a message go give the Nigeria government, tell them say make they wait o, because as e stand right this now, e say they go begin wetin go make all the whole Nigerians go say wetin dey happen. I say hey, this one don red o, that mean say everybody go carry bag for head very soon. The Biafra Liberation Army commander, wey dey call Holyghost, don come outside, come send a strong message go give Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Nigeria government. Now, lis ten to wetin talk before we come back and continue.
I want to leave the morning message to you. Morning message to those who now is the morning. The afternoon message to those who now is the afternoon. And the night message to those who now is the night. This message is very important to the zoo. I want you to keep repeating this message and read it and listen to it carefully and carefully. Maybe you may have sense. Maybe you may have sense. But if you still fail to have sense from it, then you face your own doom. Do you think you can intimidate us? Do you think you can intimidate us? Maybe you think that one day we will succumb to your pressure or your intimidation, to your wishes. That day will never come. We are not intimidated. We can never be intimidated. You have this in mind, you have peace. Every single step you make, every single thing you do to us, move us more stronger. Every single step you make, every single move, every single thing you do to us, move us more stronger. Take us to another step. So you are the one that always push us to another step. Do you see that? So you cannot intimidate us. You cannot weak us. You can never weak us. And you can never intimidate us. Do you know what? Let me put your mind into record once again. We will never be intimidated when we normally carry flag and protest on the street of Biafra. You came with your weapon. You killed as well. We were never intimidated. Your killing move us stronger. We came again. You arrest as many you wish and put us in jail without even single trial. No trial. Do you think we were intimidated? If we were intimidated, we couldn't have been moved to this level. You end up pushing us more stronger. We become more powerful. You see? You kill us. We move forward. You came again and proscribed us as a terrorist in order to intimidate us and stop our quest of freedom. We never intimidated. You move us more powerful, more stronger. Then you come again and kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, arrest him before, and kidnap him the second time. Were we intimidated? No. Do the quest for total freedom of Biafra stop? No. Does anything change from what we have been asking for? No. We move on. More stronger. Simon Ekpa, you stand again. You come again. 3 months now, you remove him from the way with the conspiracy of finished government. Do we look intimidated to you? Do the quest of total freedom stop? Do we stop? No. You don't know anything. And what you don't know is greater than you. We can never be intimidated by anybody. No man or woman born in this world that can intimidate us. Our stand is our stand. Every single move you make us go stronger. When we did not have weapon, only with flag and protesting, we did not fear you. I ask you again, is it now that we have what it takes to defend our land that we will fear you? You see, you are the one that make us more stronger. You kill us, we are still stronger. You carry Nnamdi Kanu, we go another step stronger. You conspire against Simon Ekpa, we are even more stronger now. But what is coming to you, you will not even expect it. Yesterday, what do you see? Today, you will see what is greater than yesterday. Have you seen we are increasing? Have you seen we are improving every day by day? Have you seen we are more dangerous every day by day? Because every move you make us more stronger. We can never be intimidated. I am telling you to your face. Because before you say, why are you always hiding your face? Show your face if you are not a coward. Now you have been seeing my face. Because I told you, you don't know. You don't know anything. We are not intimidated. We can never be intimidated. We no fear you. This is our land. Land of Biafra is our territory. It is our position. It is our possession. It is our right. And we must defend it to the last man. The more you come, the more you meet your doom. This land will swallow all of you. That is why I decided to show you my face. So that you know the face of General Butuzo boy that are killing you people. Yes. I'm sorry for you. But I'm giving you this as a morning message. That you keep listening to it every day, every night, depending your time zone. You keep listening to it and ask yourself question. With all this thing we have been doing, these people, did they stop? We can never stop until we get our mandate. We can never stop. But every step you move, you make, and you do, it makes us more stronger. So, to those who think that we can be intimidated, or one day we will succumb to your intimidation or fear and abandon the quest of Biafra, you are insane. You are insane. You never know anything. You never start. You never see anything. But I tell you that you are moving us gradually to become the beast that will consume you once. That is what you are pushing us to. Remember, every step you make us more stronger, and we will consume you. Leave our territory now while you can. Because time will come, you'll be begging to leave. You will not see chance. The only thing you can only do then is to lay down your life. I am telling you, put this to the wall, and you should know that silencing Simon Ekpa make the worst thing you can ever do. You don't know this? Release Nnamdi Kanu. Release Simon Ekpa. Release all the prisoners of Biafra, the freedom fighters in your custody. Leave Biafra territory now where you can and have peace. You say no, you never have peace. No peace for Nigeria. You're fighting for our right, and that we will get. Biafra or nothing. Have that in mind. Know this and no peace, because you can never intimidate us. They never burn you. This is the message for you this morning. And with this, I say to you, good morning.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. It's today for Pop Info News. Here, where would they bring you Ogbonge news as it they happen. As they watch, make sure you share and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.